Hi, my name is Cindy Byman, and I'm the director here at Rye Neck High School. And today, Puretek is coming to help teach our students how to hang lights and get our lighting taught for our production of The Outsiders. And our students have never received formal training before, so this is very exciting.
My name is Veronica Hudak. I am the assistant director to Rye Neck High School's production of The Outsiders. Today we have Puretek here, and the students are helping put together the lighting system. I feel that this is a very beneficial skill for students to learn because it teaches them about cooperation, following directions, safety. Safety is a huge priority when it comes to making shows. It gets them familiar with maintenance and handy skills.
Now you're going to say, is that first electric company?
Our lights are, again, they're brand new to me and my students, so it's very exciting to be able to not only make our productions better through lighting technology, but also enhance the space for other things.
Pulling it down is bringing the pipe in, pulling it back up.
Puretek has been fabulous with communication, with recommendations, with last-minute help for various issues that had arisen. And we're just very thankful to Puretek for helping us.